are watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Hey guys, welcome to the show. Just playing around a little bit here. This is the part 2 of the grilled cheese battle. So anyway, really quick, I just want to talk about, we do food battles all the time. We, on Jack and the Go, we go to one burger joint, we go to another burger joint. It's Burger Wars. This September, we're doing Pizza Wars, Deep Dish Pizza Wars. It's going to take place in Chicago. So we're driving to Chicago. The tour means we're going to drive around, hit a bunch of different spots. We're going to try out Chicago dogs. We're going to try out Chicago Italian beefs. We're going to try out 6 pizza places that are the highest rated deep dish pizza places. Find out who's the best. So we're really excited about it. This September is Pizza Month on Jack and the Go, on Cooking with Jack, all across the board. For right now, coming close because we're doing grilled cheese wars. So last week was grilled cheese pillow. Looked like a pillow. It was okay. I think this one will win, but we got to see. The other one was good. I think this is going to be great. So we're going to have some sourdough bread, some butter, Philadelphia cream cheese, bacon. Everybody loves bacon. Jalapeños, shredded cheese, sliced cheese. And I think that's it. Okay, guys. This is like supposed to be the best ever, so we'll soon find out. So you can throw everything in the middle of the cutting board, okay? You got cream cheese. We got some sliced cheese, some pepper jack. You're going to pour on a lot of shredded. Now, bacon. We put those on once we've chopped everything. Literally, guys, you're going to chop everything. So I'm not going to make you, whoops. Oh, no, that's good. So I'm not going to make you painfully watch. So give me a second and get it all chopped. What a mess. You're going to take that mixture, whoops, right there, and you're going to spread that on some sourdough. All right, guys, there it is on the sourdough. Nothing else. We're going to throw a little butter in the skillet right now, and I'll meet you over at the stove. We're going to put that right on there. Grab a thing of butter. You don't think it would stick to butter. Butter's greasy. By the way, you guys know I love the raw cookware. You don't need butter. The butter's only in there for the flavor more than anything. Maybe to brown it a little bit. But you don't need butter. Thing's flipping huge. The guy took his hand and squished it down. Give it a good press. Got butter all around. If you need more butter, grab more butter. So my fear is flipping too soon. And my other fear is over grilling it. So let me take a peek. Yeah, it looks golden brown. There we go. All right, guys. Meet me over the island. All right, guys. Cutting right into it. It just came out. Still hot. Be careful. Hack away at it. There you go. Beautiful. All that goodness in there. Bacon, you can see. Jalapeno, you can see. Cream cheese, you can see. It looks like the dog just got sick. No, just kidding. It's a mess. We'll scrape it into a container. If it's good, we'll use it. If it's bad, we'll throw it out. All right, let's see if it's good. And then let's see if it compares to last week. The first thing you taste is butter, then cheese, then jalapeno, then bacon. Okay, got to be transparent, got to be honest. Better than last week. Better than I thought it was going to be. Did not think. I thought this would be last week, but I didn't think it would be that good. That's amazing. Probably want to cut it up on a plate so you don't make a mess of the kitchen. But that's the winner. That's a home run. That literally is the best grilled cheese. Now, you really want to have fun? Try grilling peanut butter and jelly. Blow your mind. All right? See you guys. Get ready for Pizza Month in September. We'll see you next week.